High in the clouds of West Bengal sits Darjeeling, the queen of the hills. With its sparkling green slopes and misty air, Darjeeling is a crown jewel of India. The journey up is an adventure itself. City noise fades, replaced by the whisper of wind and twisting mountain roads. Every turn reveals breathtaking views and a sense of discovery. The people here greet you with warm smiles, making you feel instantly at home. Darjeeling's magic is in the details. Prayer flags fluttering, old buildings with stories to tell, and cozy cafes tucked away. Wander the streets, and you'll find bustling markets, peaceful monasteries, and endless surprises. What makes Darjeeling special? It's alive with heart and history, breathing with the mist and shining in the sun. It's a perfect escape from the everyday rush, a place to slow down and soak in the beauty. Here you can sip world-famous tea and gaze at views that never get old. Darjeeling is a reminder that wonder still exists in the world. It's a destination for dreamers, explorers, and anyone seeking a bit of magic. Sit back, relax, and let Darjeeling's charm work its spell. It truly is a marvelous place to discover. Imagine waking up to the mighty Himalayas, with Kanchenjunga towering above. As the sun rises, the peaks glow in pink and gold, a living masterpiece. Mist rolls over Darjeeling's tea gardens, turning the hills into a dreamy, mysterious world. The hills are carpeted with tea gardens, where workers pluck leaves for the legendary Darjeeling tea. Visit an estate, watch the process, and taste a cup. It's a warm hug in a mug. The town blends old colonial charm with lively markets and the famous Chaurasta Mall. Darjeeling truly is a land of mist, mountains, and tea leaves. Now, let's talk about Darjeeling's most enchanting ride, the toy train. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, affectionately called the toy train, is a charming steam engine that puffs along narrow tracks. It's not fast, but that's the magic. Slow travel lets you soak in every view. This little train climbs steep mountains, winding through scenery you'd never expect a train to reach. Built in the 1880s, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a living piece of history. Riding the toy train is like stepping into a storybook. Steam, whistles, and all. The journey starts in the plains and rises over 2,000 meters to Darjeeling. Along the way, you watch the landscape transform from warm lowlands to cool, misty hills. The train's cheerful whistle echoes through villages where locals wave as it passes. Sometimes it runs so close to shops you could almost reach out for a snack. The toy train isn't just transport, it's the heart of Darjeeling, connecting people and places. Every ride is a celebration of tradition and community. It's a friendly, unforgettable journey that captures the spirit of the hills. The toy train truly is Darjeeling's pride and joy. Building the toy train was a feat of ingenuity. Steep hills meant engineers designed clever loops and zigzags. Franklin Prestage dreamed up a narrow-gauge railway to climb where no train had gone before. In 1879, thousands carved the track by hand, braving rain and cliffs. Loops, bridges, and tunnels conquered the toughest terrain. In 2 years, the first train reached Darjeeling, a triumph of creativity. Today, you can still ride behind these historic steam locomotives. The toy train is a marvel of engineering and human spirit. It's a steam-powered dream come true. The toy train's route is a ribbon of surprises. It twists through forests, crosses fairy tale bridges, and weaves right through bustling markets. The highlight is the Batasha Loop, a spiral track with a stunning 360-degree view and a war memorial at its heart. On clear days, Kanchenjunga looms in the distance, perfect for photos. The train pauses here, letting you step out and soak in the panorama. Another marvel is the zigzag, or Z-reverse, where the train moves forward and backward to climb steep slopes. It's a quirky dance that makes the journey unique. Along the way, children wave, flowers bloom by the tracks, and daily life unfolds just outside your window. The train becomes part of the landscape, threading through the tapestry of Darjeeling. Every twist brings a new delight, a view, a sound, a smile. The journey is as much about the little moments as the grand vistas. It's a ride that fills you with wonder at every turn. The toy train is truly a journey of magic and memories. Ask any traveler, the toy train is the heart of their Darjeeling adventure. Its slow pace is a welcome break from the rush of modern life. With windows open, you breathe in cool mountain air and feel like a child again. The train passes so close to homes and shops, you're part of the town's daily rhythm. Locals wave, schoolchildren cheer, and passengers return the smiles. Every moment is a photo opportunity, steam, curves, and Himalayan backdrops. The ride from Goom, India's highest railway station, is especially popular for its views. Families, couples, and solo travelers all find joy in this shared experience. For kids, it's a real-life storybook adventure. For adults, a nostalgic escape. The toy train brings out wonder in everyone, young and old. It's more than a ride, it's a connection to the spirit of Darjeeling. Every journey is filled with laughter, excitement, and memories. The toy train is a day out you'll never forget. Why should Darjeeling and its toy train be on your bucket list? Because it's more than a trip, it's an adventure for the soul. Here, you breathe fresh air, see majestic mountains, and taste legendary tea. The toy train is a living piece of history, a gentle ride through breathtaking landscapes. It's about savoring every moment, not rushing to the end. You'll marvel at the engineering, wave at friendly faces, and feel the magic of the hills. Darjeeling is a place for dreamers, explorers, and anyone seeking beauty. Whether you love nature, history, or just a good cup of tea, you'll find it here. Pack your bags and get ready for a smashing adventure. Come see the Queen of the Hills and ride the little train that could. The memories will stay with you long after you leave. Darjeeling and the toy train offer wonder, joy, and inspiration. It's a journey you'll cherish forever.